Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you why blade settings on your Scan-N-Cut can be so confusing, and how to fix it easily. As you can see, the blade holders only have a sticker on them to show the alignment. But those stickers don't always line up correctly. Each blade holder can have a slightly different alignment, which is why blade settings vary so much and can be confusing when you're asking for help online. Here's how to fix that. Turn your blade all the way up, until it stops turning. Now you'll see where the true 0 point is on your holder. If it doesn't match the sticker, just make your own mark at the top. That way, every time you adjust your blade, you'll know exactly where you are, no guesswork needed. And don't forget, every time you get a new blade holder, repeat this step right away to avoid future confusion. Want to learn how to make your blades last much longer? Check out my next video. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.